Hi, I'm Dr. Timothy Gallagher,
Dr. Michael Marciello.
and we're from Maragal Medical.
Tim, how you been feeling lately?
Well, Mike, I actually took your advice a couple of weeks ago. I was complaining that I just wasn't feeling well. I really got off my, diet and eating healthy, and I was just sore all over. So I took a gamble. I took the big plunge right before Thanksgiving. I started to implement a new medical weight loss program that we're looking at, and I gotta tell you, I feel fantastic. I'm down 8 pounds, and that includes right after the Thanksgiving holiday, and I'm really looking forward to, starting 2022 on the right foot by being more preventative. And when we talk about, all of the things that we treat here in the office and all the different injuries over the last year, why don't we talk to the social media audience today about the more preventative approach that we have?
Sure, we have been talking about this, and I'm glad you really started getting back on track. And the concept here is we're trying to prevent the body from breaking down or feeling poorly like you've been noticing by actually checking in early.
Yeah.
We have to do good things. We have to be cautious around our diet, and of course the holidays are difficult. But if we think about trying to say, get through those, holiday dinners, but we want to really tune up, and we want to bring people in to actually get a once-over to say where you may be at risk for problems to occur. And that is what's prevention. We're trying to prevent you from having, a backache, a knee problem, or again, anything that might be problematic. And diet is one big thing that if you're not eating well, the body doesn't do well, we don't sleep well, we all run into this, rut that we need to try to identify and prevent. And that's where we got really glad you started.
Yeah, and that creates a whole new system of just more that inflammatory cascade. And I love the fact that this is completely different than the traditional medical approach when it comes to preventative care. What is traditional medical approach when it comes to preventative care?
Well, as you
Does
know,
it even exist?
As you know, Tim, and certainly for our audience, there really isn't a preventative healthcare approach. People have to pay out of pocket to actually get a trainer, go to someone when they're thinking about their own health and wellness. But we like to do that here in the clinic and actually think about ways in which we can make that assessment to do as a preventative approach. And so we're taking that little different approach to be your personal trainer. We want to make it so when we identify what might be not moving so well, we can get the chiropractors to get the joints moving,
Right.
Get your back moving, get your joints moving. We could get our physical therapist to get you on our robotics machine to improve your balance. Maybe you haven't noticed that you're losing function and your strength or your balance. So when we pick up those things that are not working so well,
Right.
we can actually implement the services that we offer here in the clinic, which is really not done in the so-called traditional way.
Yeah, as you and I always tell our patients, the symptom is the last thing to occur. So folks, let's start 2022 off right. If you are looking for a solution to be more preventative, all right? Contact Maragal Medical. You can get more information on our website at maragalmedical.com. We take most insurances, and on the website there are some fantastic patient testimonials with our friend Keith Lockhart from the Boston Pops, Cedric Maxwell from the Boston Celtics, and our good friend Dan Duquette, Red Sox Hall of Famer. Until next week, have a great week, everyone.
Bye now.